Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix game black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix is to restart stream or restart your PC. So click on this word stream and then click on exit. This will close the stream and then relaunch stream and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2. Run the game from game installation folder. Run the game in compatibility mode or try running the game as an administrator. So open Steam, go to library, right click on how to fix, select manage, then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Open how to fix folder and here you will see how to fix exe file. First double click it and then try to launch the game from here and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From the drop down, first select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. If that doesn't work, then again right click on it, select properties, go to compatibility tab. From the drop down, select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now selecting the Windows 7 has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If that doesn't work, then also check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. You can also select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes. Hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 4 is to update your graphics card driver. NVIDIA users in Windows search type NVIDIA app and open the NVIDIA app. Go to driver sections, then click on check for updates over here. And if there are any updates available, then you will see the download button. So click on download and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC once. Once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Similarly, AMD users open AMD Adrenal software and look for graphic card driver update. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Now if updating your graphic card driver doesn't fix the issue, then you can also roll back your graphics card driver just to previous version and then relaunch the game and check. Now to roll back your graphics card driver to previous version, you can go to the NVIDIA graphic card driver website, or if you have AMD graphic card driver, then you can go to the AMD graphic card driver website and then download and install the previous version and then launch the game and check. Fix 5. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open the Windows security. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. And then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open the how to fix game folder. Again open how to fix folder. Select how to fix exe file and then click on open. After adding it, go back. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Click on browse. And then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open how to fix folder. Again open how to fix folder. Select how to fix exe file and then click on open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Here it is. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes. Then go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST, or any other antivirus program, then you have to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well. And then you can launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 6 is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall the game from your PC. So right click on it and then click on manage and then click on uninstall. and then again click on uninstall. After uninstalling it, just restart your PC once, and once your PC restart, open Steam and then install it. And after installing the game, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you can also install the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing into another SSD drive and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 7 is to try these launch options. You can try -DX12 or -DX11. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, click on properties. Now in the launch options, first type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties, this time type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, remove the launch options, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 8 is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version, download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC once. And once your PC restart, go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 9 is to run the game on dedicated graphics card driver. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open the graphics settings. Click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open the how to fish game folder. Again open how to fish folder. Select how to fish exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list over here. Here it is, expand it. And next to GPU preference, select high performance. And then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 10 is to delete how to fish save game folder. Now please take a note over here. You will lose all the save game progress and saved settings. So if you want, then you can keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. And you have to start everything from the scratch. So here how to do it. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view. So and check mark hidden items, then open the app data folder, open local folder, open the dazed games folder, here it is, and here you will find how to fish save game folder. First right click on it and then copy it, and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. After keeping the backup, right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 11 is to update Windows. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install all of them, and then just restart your PC once. And once your PC restart, go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 12 is to disable overlays. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on how to fish game, select properties, and in the general tab you will see enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off. Disable Discord overlay. If you have installed Discord on your PC, then disable Discord overlay. Disable Nvidia overlay. Open Nvidia GeForce Experience settings, general turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, Nvidia Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, etc. And then launch the game and check. Fix 13 is to close the conflicting or unnecessary programs. So if you have any kind of overclocking software, then do not overclock, just set it to default. Disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC. Unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix how to fish screen, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.